Hello and welcome back to Calgary Hearing Aid and Audiology's YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a quick review on how to clean your custom hearing aids. So custom hearing aids are the ones that are going to look like beans, just like that. Okay, so I've only got half shells, which means a little bit smaller, so if you have ones that are slightly larger, you are still good to use this video to clean your hearing aids. So we want to start off with our cleaning supplies here. So I've got the vent brushes and floss, so that would be this and this, like that there. It's just literally kind of looks like fish and wire that you're going to use for the vents, and of course our trusty little bristle brush just to get off any extra residue on the body of the hearing aid. So let's begin. So first off, you take one of your hearing aids and you're going to grab your soft cloth. You're going to put that inside and just go ahead and wipe away at any visible debris. These ones were fairly clean, but still have some things on there, as you can see. Oh, there we go, just around here. Grab the other one. Let's wipe. Grab your brush, and we're just going to give that good clean. So there's nothing left on the faceplate, and we just want to clean the rest off in case we see anything. There's definitely some debris in the vent here, so we'll do that afterwards. Grab the other one. Whoops. That looks fairly clean to me, so let's put that back down. Next we're going to do is use our floss, okay? And we would like to insert it just in the little vent hole that's here. Now, in case yours does not have it, then you can just ignore it. So we're gonna poke out. So if there's anything that's quite large, it will come out from that. Otherwise, we will switch to the bristle vent brush, and that just beautifully goes in there. And if there's, again, any additional leftover debris, this will pull it all out or push it out from the tip there. And let's do this one as well. Boom, all clean, and there's a little bit of the dust coming out from in there, so we'll just wipe that away as well. So the next thing we want to do is use our wax filters in order to change that little white circle there. So these are Phonak custom hearing aids, and Phonak, Resound, Signia, Unitron, some of their hearing aids will use the Seru stop here for the custom. Usually the older ones, they've now switched it up. Or if you have a Starkey hearing aid, then for the most part their wax filters, or their hearing aids will use these wax filters here. And Starkey is also the only one that has a different packaging for their wax filters. So what you want to do is we're going to take a stick out, grab your hearing aid. This part right here is what we're going to use to take out the old one, and then we're going to flip this around and stick the new side in. So first we are going to insert, it'll click in, pull it out. Now it's gone, and you want to flip the stick and just plug that back in, easy. Chuck that stick and onto the next one. So we'll grab another stick here and we'll remove and add the new one and Boom! Now our custom hearing aids are all clean. Ta-da.